Okay, so we had some questions regarding supply chain and backend supply chain. So,
Okay.
Rumit, yeah, guys, do you have opened the Excel sheet?
Yes, it is open at my end.
Okay, okay. You can start, Rumit. Then I'll
Okay.
add.
Okay. So Vikalp, actually, we wanted to know the various commissions which are involved in the supply chain, like when you
Hmm.
order raw material from the suppliers and it gets transported to the retailer, like the outlet, food outlet. So what are the different commissions at different stages, like when it reaches to the distributor, from distributor to the final food outlet? If you can just
Okay.
yes.
Just I need to just elaborate one thing that yeah, this information is not passed to us for employees because it is between the
Okay.
McDonald's higher staff and between the distributor. So distributor doesn't reveal this thing to the McDonald's or the Burger King. So it's up to
Okay.
them. But I
Okay.
think 10 to 20, 10 to 15%, I think so that would be the margin over this because uh, they are charging actually what I have read about this distribution channel. So they charge us a similar amount in the invoice which we receive from the supplier, but they took distribution charges from us like it's 130 rupees per case. Either it would be small or medium or large. It should be a glass case, it should be a petty case, it should be so 130 rupees per case they charge distribution charges from our freight and cartage and distribution charges,
Okay.
as per
So
my
it's
knowledge.
okay. So you mean to say it is around 10-15% from
Hmm.
supply to the food outlet?
No, but I'm saying that
Mhm.
McDonald's pay to the distributor or the Burger King used to pay the distributor is 3 to 5%, between 3 to 5% only maximum. But the distribution which give us invoice, it's big. They I can't say anything because I don't have a experience of supply chain, but they used to when they are getting from the supplier, they may charge commission on this because whatever charges they used to invoice us, they took 130 rupees per cases. So delivery would be 3,000 cases, then 130 into 3,000 cases per invoice. Okay. So
Yes.
McDonald's used
Okay.
to
Okay.
pay 3 to 5% for distribution. And for the
Uh,
supply chain, they used to get the commission from the supplier also, but I have no knowledge of this.
okay. And similar thing, like what is the difference in the profit margin when you sell your product at the outlet or via, Swiggy, Zomato, or your personal delivery? Because extra expenses incurred when you hire delivery boys. So if you
Swiggy
can.
and Zomato they used to give us orders and they used to
Mm,
charge a simple commission 16% for the 16% plus GST it equal to 18% for the Zomato and 21% for the Swiggy. 21 plus GST. 21% of that order. Okay. Particular
okay.
order.
Per
Right.
item.
Per order. Per item. Per
Acha,
order.
per order. Total
Either it is
amount
Per
of
order.
order. That's okay. Okay.
okay. 16% plus GST for the Zomato
Mhm.
and 21% for the Swiggy.
Okay. And so, Vikalp, is there any difference in the profit margin I mean, the product which you sell at the outlet? If I am coming at your outlet, suppose Burger King, and I sit and eat there, so is there difference in the margin, profit margin, if I sit there and eat or I take away?
No, it would be the same. Takeaway and eating are the same. We don't charge for the dining. Okay, dining thing.
Okay, okay.
We don't charge it.
Acha. One funny question to you,
Okay.
Vikalp. Like in
I
terms of,
can explain.
yeah, yeah.
Just a
Carry on.
moment. If you are telling just for the takeaway, it should be a delivery. The delivery order used to charge 40 rupees per order. Okay. If the delivery is for 560 rupees for the eating, the delivery will be delivery charges would be incurred in spite of petrol and all the things per order. Okay.
And
40
it doesn't
rupees.
matter how small the order is. Like if we order 1 burger or 10 burgers, the delivery charge would be fixed, like 40 rupees.
No, you are not getting me. If you take a aloo tikki from the eat-in, okay, you will get to know that you have to pay 35 rupees maximum for the
Okay.
okay, and if you get in a delivery, you have to pay 51. Okay,
51,
so
okay.
difference varies. Price varies between the difference, and the 40 rupees delivery charge is also incurred.
Okay.
Extra 40 rupees per order. Okay, got it?
Right. And
Yes.
Vikal, why is that so? Because if we sit there, the resources required are more. Like we need staff there, electricity is used, the rent is the space is occupied. In spite
No, the
of that,
delivery charges incurred only for the petrol, maintenance of the bike or scooty, and for the driver charge, because you have to get their salary drawn from the delivery orders only. Okay.
Just to confirm the supply chain of distribution, so there is a one godown where all the material inventory comes to one distributor, and the distributor will come to your Burger King. Is it correct?
Yes.
Okay, so only one person in the chain, distributor.
No, distributor is the person who used to get so many supplier at one stage. We used to store so many supplier. Like we have to take lettuce from the Anand. We have to take onion from the others and Romit from the patties. So they used to kept it. Vikal will kept it and will supply it to McDonald's. Okay,
Okay.
got it.
So after distribution channel, there are a lot of suppliers, and you are connected with all suppliers, right? According to
I'm
your need.
I'm connected with one supplier, that is distribution center. Okay,
Okay.
we have to
Okay.
place the order to distribution center. They used to indent our order and they used to place to the suppliers. Okay, we don't have a
Okay.
direct link with the suppliers. And
Correct.
if there
Correct.
is any complaint and all things, they used to get the channelized done through supplier and through distribution channels also.
Acha.
Okay, if there is any, like we have to go to, there is a patty which is burnt. Okay, maybe due to reducing of temperature also, maybe certain reason, we used to send it to a QA. We used to send it to QA. QA used to send it supplier and the distribution center. Okay.
Great. Great. So it's all about DC, distribution channels, right?
Center,
The
distribution
main
center.
hub, the main hub is that in supply chain it's your DC.
Yes.
Yes.
They used to maintain that record also. They used to indent their thing that how much the Christmas is coming. The sale will be increased. So you used to get the stock done so that their product will be not out of. Okay. And if there any product is out, they have to face consequences on this, because McDonald's will see why it's in distribution will be there. So this is McDonald's is a customer of distribution center. Like McDonald's used to get the delivery from RKFL, Radhakrishnan Foodland, and Burger King used to get from Coldex. So there are so many chains, but I used to get to know on the two things only because I worked with the two companies only in last 10 years.
okay. And Vikal, one more question. Can you just give us a rough estimation about what percentage of your sale you make on the counter and what you make in the takeaways or a drive-through outlets?
It depends on us totally on outlet. If outlet
Okay.
is on the national highway, you will get the sale from drive-through. If the outlet is in mall, you will get the sale from the eating or takeaway. Okay, so this is the percentage. So it depends totally on the outlet. It's not predetermined. So when you open the outlet, they used to do the trading area analysis. You know what is trading area analysis? No?
No.
Trading area analysis. Trading area analysis is being done by the surveyor, by the McDonald's. When we open the outlet, the RE department will come to know that there is a mall there or there is a standalone outlet. Standalone means McDonald's will be there outside in the market, and for the mall outlets, depends on totally on footfall. And for the standalone or the national highway, they used to get the things right, like how much will be there. If there is a kiosk we open in the highway, who will get it? Nobody. When we open the kiosk, remote kiosk for the ice cream, kiosk is for ice cream. If you open the kiosk in the mall, in the ground floor, and the food outlet is in third floor, they will get the revenue done. Okay, this is all the predetermined before opening a store.
Okay.
Okay.
I think,
So
is there any questions, guys?
So Vikalp, like currently you're working in a mall, right? As per our last conversation, you work
I
in an
used to work
outlet.
in a
Okay,
I
okay.
used to
You
work I used to work in a mall, but I was working in standalone right now.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
So last 2 months I was on leave without pay. I'm sitting at home only.
Okay,
So
okay.
can you just give us a short, I mean, a summary, like what is the difference in the sale in standalone and location is same, like where you used to work and currently working?
No, it's okay. I was working in the McDonald's outlet in the mall restaurant. You will get the footfall mainly on weekends. But in the standalone restaurants, you will get the no weekends, no slightly the weekend over the weekdays. You may feel that weekdays are more higher than the weekends because people will because standalone outlets are near to the malls, near to the shopping complex, offices. Okay, then in the weekend they used to get off and they used to go to mall. So there's a difference between it. Okay, and once
Okay,
we
great,
were
great.
you are asking me personally about the outlet, the mall outlet used to get 250 lakh per day. Depends on a monthly wise. Okay, in weekdays we used to get 1 lakh rupees per day, and a Friday we get to 150, and a weekend will be 4 lakh rupees. Okay, so average is 250 for a week. And in standalone, you will get to know that weekdays are like 200 200K means 2 lakh per day, and the weekends are just slightly 275 or 3 lakh only. So there is a difference between that. So you will get the generation revenue generated in the weekdays also in the standalone. So standalone are the also important than the mall store. Or you were moving on a highway, you see the McDonald's, you stop and get the burger done. So this this is also why we put the signage so that you will get to know that McDonald's is there, Burger King is there, you can
Right,
go there.
right. Right.
So these are
So,
the highways are the standalone outlets
yeah,
because
yeah.
we don't have a mall in the highway.
So, Vikas, thing is that apart from McDonald's, Domino's, and Burger Things, we are also looking for CCD and Starbucks. So, do you have
Hmm.
any friend or any your colleagues who are currently working, and they can get some insight like you, who can help us? So, it will be help to in our project as well.
The Starbucks and CCD
Or
are the things
any
I
other
can
outlets apart from Domino's and McDonald's,
apart from Domino's and McDonald's. I
like
used to check.
KFC as well, or Wow Momos. These are some brands. Like, you know someone very close to you, and he can or she can give us some insight.
No, I used to check my contact list, then I will let you know. Because in the pandemic, lots of people have left the job
Yeah,
and
yeah,
they are outside of India or they are in Bangalore, and I used to get their number done. I have two, three friends, but
yeah,
they
yeah.
are not trustworthy.
Okay,
Okay,
that's true. That's true.
because you need to find the people who will be trustworthy. You can trust in that they will get to know because
Exactly.
if they will provide you the false information, then it won't help you. It will cost you.
Absolutely right.
Yes, right.
Right.
Okay.
Any
Any
question,
more questions?
others?
Uh,
Others is
No
sitting like
questions from
a
my
boy.
side. I don't know. It's very cold out here. Like in North India, these guys don't get it. It's very, very cold. Like we are freezing right now.
Where were you?
I'm in Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh.
So Gorakhpur is not too cold, yaar. Delhi is so cold.
It's 9 degrees right now. By night it will be 6. So still it's
I'm
pretty
chilling
cold.
at 3 degree in right now.
I know. I used to live in Delhi at times. In 2018, I was in Delhi for 6 months. So
Actually,
I know.
I'm in outer Delhi, so there is agriculture land there.
Oh,
The temperature
okay.
is 6% dip than the normal Delhi. Okay.
Yeah,
And
actually.
tomorrow is a Republic Day, so there will be more chilling because after Republic Day, chilled go to change into hot. Started to
Yeah.
hot.
Yeah,
Okay.
thanks.
We are planning to
Mm.
go to Jammu Kashmir. Will you join us?
In this cold, we have
No,
lots of
no.
projects. Like even on Republic Day, tomorrow is our holiday, but we have to finish 3 or 4 of our projects tomorrow
Ah,
only. We are this busy, and we will be this busy till March, I think, March mid, if I'm not wrong.
March, till March.
So, so we will plan it in
And
a May, June for the
yeah,
Leh,
yeah,
Manali.
and at that time I think if we are lucky enough we'll get our internships like in the month of April, May and June we'll have our internships. So this
You are
MBA
so
is
hardworking,
very
guys.
hectic.
Yeah, you are so hardworking. You
We
will definitely get it. Okay, no
yeah, we
issues.
try our best.
Actually,
Yeah, yeah.
just I was just standing from sitting at home for last 2 months. I need a break also. Last 2 months were very good, but things cannot be continue like this. So you have to enjoy it. Okay, whatever I have earned in last 10 years, I used to spend it also.
True, true. Right,
Otherwise, I
right.
was working
So
6 days a week.
yeah, like it's our time to earn now. We haven't earned anything yet, but like we need a internship and job. We are looking forward to it.
No,
Ki
I'm
where we'll
also
get
because
it.
when you have so many channels, you can earn it by sitting at home only. I'm earning sitting at home by investing in share and I used to get the G business done from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. So you need to get generate all the things. You can do it. You are so hardworking. I hope you will get the internship. And any more query, you can come to me anytime. I will not mind
Uh-huh.
Adarsh and Anand,
Yeah,
Yes,
especially.
yeah.
yes.
We will,
Okay.
try to get in touch with you. Like, please be here with us because if we get no anything else, now we will reach out to you. You are the only
Sure.
guy we can trust you.
If you want any information regarding Starbucks and Momos, you can text me. You can send me the Excel sheet. I will send it to
Uh-huh.
my people whom I trust.
Sure, sure, sure.
Okay. If they were not
Definitely,
available, they will pass the information to me. I will let you know. Okay.
definitely,
Anything
definitely.
KFC, and so many outlets. Burger Rama is also open. I got a job offer, but I didn't join it. Okay.
Great,
When
great.
you work in
Yes,
a
Raghu.
when you work in a high reputed company, I don't mind to go there, the small companies, but they are not providing me the good salary. So salary also matters. So Anand, what
Definitely.
were you doing in this project? What will do with this?
We are doing proper business analysis. Like for example, in coming to next 2 to 3 years, or even later after 5 years, even if we want to get into business, so what business inspire us to work hard? So this food industries inspire all of threes to get into the business in future if you want to start.
Okay.
So this is kind of small project. So we have to do proper analysis with 8 to 9 brands, taking into how they are supply chain, how they are profiting, how they are selling their product, what are the marketing gimmicks, some campaignings, everything we have to study, and that's our given by our professors.
So he is impressed with the
And
previous
this is
learning.
yeah,
He
yeah,
was actually.
definitely,
Ours
definitely.
was the second best presentation. Another group came in and like got the best presentation award from sir. But ours was quite good as well
Yeah.
before this.
Even
I
our
hope you will.
professor wanted to, that student you have to talk with industry people who are currently working there or who had worked there. so they can get some insight to you. You cannot go to the outlet and ask, I want this detail, but you should ask those specific people who can give you the trustworthy and insightful details.
Okay. That's okay. I don't mind it. Okay.
Thanks.
And
Thanks a lot,
what
Vikal.
about Rumit? Rumit,
Yes, Vikal.
are you feeling sleepy?
No. Actually, my Wi-Fi isn't working. So
Actually, it was a hectic Monday. Like we had, at least I had class till 8, from morning 8:30 to 8 at night. So I don't know. हमारा आनंद वो भी था, like टाटा की वाला
Acha.
place form.
Yeah.
So
I
we
was
had
there.
to be there as well. उससे पहले classes and all. Many
Yeah,
Even though
okay.
today was
if Vikalp, do you find any small project or a live project in QS or industry? So just let us know.
Okay.
no, we'll do it for free. We'll do it for
Because
free.
we are looking for that.
No, we will let you know. I will let you know. Whatever will be there. So
Sure.
actually, but I got also very hectic Monday. I used to wake up at 4 a.m. and I have to drive with a car, and I have to go around 300 kilometers long drive, then come back 600 kilometers, and I'm sitting right now with you. So you
Oh
need
my
to
God.
just give motivation. Okay,
Thanks a lot.
you need to
Yes,
motivate
Vikas.
yourself. Okay.
I know, like I get myself motivated every day. वरना MBA नहीं चलेगा. I know. If I'm not motivated enough, the second day I'll lose my patience.
It doesn't mean you just go to Gorakhpur Dham and just have it devoted there.
Yeah.
Well, okay. Thank you so much. Bye.
Okay. Thank you,
yeah,
Vikalp.
thanks a lot,
Thanks for your
Vikal.
time. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.